Ever wished you could get paid internationally without the typical bank headaches? Well, in this video, you'll learn the simple steps to find your IBAN on Revolut, unlocking fast and easy international transactions. Let's dive right in. First, open your Revolut app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. You'll land on the home screen, which should show your account balance and recent transactions. Next, you need to find your account details. Look for a section at the top of the home screen, probably labeled Accounts, or something similar depending on the app update. This is where all your account information lives. Tap on it and proceed. Once you've accessed your current account's details, find the currency for the account you want to receive the payment in. This will likely be your main account, but double check to be sure. For this example, we'll choose USD. Now tap the account. This leads you to your account details page. Here's the good news, your IBAN is right there. Scroll down. Within the account details, you should see a section that displays your IBAN, along with other important information like your currency, sort code, and account number. Your IBAN is usually clearly labeled. Great! Now you can easily share your IBAN for receiving international payments. You can either write it down or tap on the copy button right next to it. This will automatically copy your IBAN to your phone's clipboard, ready to be pasted wherever it's needed. And that's it. You've successfully found your IBAN on Revolut. You can now confidently share this information to receive international payments securely and quickly. Make sure to like this video if this helped you.